Hey yo, it's Chris O. I just wanted to turn off my radio. Geez, that sun's bright. Oh, what size? It's getting a bit big, I reckon. Getting a bit big. And then that one is a little bit small. I'll cut it and I'll see if it's too big or not. Or I could cut a just a square hole. Let's show you how I do a square hole, people. I've shown you enough of how I you see that everywhere. There's a little bit more skill involved doing this sort of thing. The sight down. There you have a hole. When the hole is down here, you should mark it on the back, being a DIY. I'm able to sight, but I've been doing it a long time, so my eye is a bit more trained. This might be a little bit tight, we'll see. If it's a smidgy ditch tight, like it is, ooh! I'll just cut it a little bit bigger. When you're doing a square hole like this, you've got to be fairly tight. Let's give it a try. Anyone can, oh yeah, little bugger. Oh yeah, I'll take it home. I thought I was just going to have a little bit of difficulty, but no, it's all good. You would have seen heaps of round holes cut on YouTube by now, I'm sure. And the thing is, I'm trying to accommodate the DIY, so they don't always have a hole saw. So you do everything with a grinder. And that's like how I learned way before hole saws, you know. They haven't been in that long. Young tilers don't know how lucky they are. And I don't believe they are real tradesmen. Because everything's too easy. Now, clips, all this, they are stick down tilers. They don't know how to bed a tile, hand fix, no. Anyway, all they do is stick up tiles with glue. But that's how it is these days, so hey. Right, we're bang on there. We're going to come in nicely to that line, so hunky-dory. I like it a lot. We're going well for time. You know, this is beautiful. I used to lay like this, or lay these tiles before clips came in, and you come back in the next morning and the glue would sort of shrink slightly and twist your tile. So you had to get your grout lines as full as possible, as flat as. Here, though, you come back in the morning with clips and it just all holds it in place while it's drying. It's brilliant. Easy peasy, easy for the DIY, and easy for the tiler. Okay. Well, you can't have everything, Chriso. That could have been a little bit down, but hey, what can you do? I'll just have a little piece across there. Oh, biggie! See you soon. Woo!